to avoid plagiarism. What is plagiarism? Plagiarism is using other people's words without giving them credit for it. To avoid plagiarism, just give credit to who actually said it. Now, note, it's not illegal to plagiarize, but it is unethical, and it's against UTEP's rules and regulations. If you do it and get caught, your punishment could range from failing the assignment to being expelled. You can't just quote your sources all the time. You have to put some of these ideas into your own words. This is what your professors want to see, and it's called paraphrasing. Ideally, you should only direct quote when it's the best way of saying something. Now, good paraphrasing requires different words and a different structure. Here's a hint. Don't look at the text you're citing while you try to paraphrase it. You still need to cite your sources when you paraphrase. Replacing words with synonyms is not paraphrasing. It doesn't matter if you're replacing one word or all of them. It's still not actually paraphrasing. If you have any questions, please call us at 915-747-5643 or ask us at libanswers.utep.edu.